Real funny. No claps for that. No. That was not very good.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. Let me see the silliest faces that you have.
No.
Can you do a scary one? Do this one.
Take a picture with this.
What kind of feet are those? You have an extra toe?
I got some new toes.
How old are you now?
3.
3. Oh, you're just a little baby.
That's
How old are you?
Kaka.
Mm-hmm. Who's your teacher?
What?
Who's your teacher? What's your teacher's name?
Silly.
You're being silly.